Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily get the cinematic video by using color adjustment in CapCut. So you can start by adding your videos and go to adjust. You can follow the settings. So for the brightness, let's increase it to around 10, contrast 13, and then the brilliance 10, sharpness increase it to around 15, and then click on the adjust cell and on the yellow color in here lower the hue to -27 and the saturation -32 and the lightness increase it to around 16. Go back, click on the grabs, and here you can make some edits in the grabs. So this is based on your video. I'm going to go with this. Let's go back and click on the highlights, increase it to 9, and temperature around 18. Click on the check icon and now go to filters and add the enhance filter, this one, and set it to around 60. Okay, click on the check icon and you are done. So this will be the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks button. Bye.